What's up guys, Luke here with another video. In today's video, I just want to show you what I picked up today. I've got over 9 phones, all like new or new in the box, even one sealed, and a sealed Apple Watch 44mm. So today is actually my birthday. I'm still hustling, been picking up phones. It's 4 p.m. right now, so I'm probably gonna put that to a halt. But as you can see sitting behind me, we're looking at around $2,000 profit once again in a day. Happy birthday to me, right? It can be happy birthday to you any day as long as you know what you're doing in this business. This business is so legit. There's absolutely no way around it. It's not like MLM. It's not like multi-level marketing, pyramid schemes, whatever you want to call it. Working a job, by the way, is also a pyramid scheme because you're on the bottom of the end and then the CEO is at the top. The only way to get to the top is to start your own business or to start your own business and partner with somebody. So that being said, I'm kind of just shooting this video to motivate some of you, and it's my birthday, so I'm kind of doing a short video. I have a lot going on today. There's some surprise party planned for me, I guess. I don't really expect a whole lot for my birthday. I just like cards with nice things written in them. I guess that's kind of always been my thing. I just like, kind of getting around and gathering around with people that I love or like. But that being said, I kind of just wanted to motivate you guys. It is my birthday today, and I'm still getting phones. I mean, it's every single day. So if you're not out there and you're not phone flipping yet, you got to get started. And if you're looking to get started right now, my Phone Flipping Academy course, since it's my birthday, I want to give back to people. It's going to be $299, $50% off. It's normally $697.99. Now, I'm going to run this sale until Sunday at midnight. Now, this sale, I've done this a few times, but what's different this time is I'm never ever going to discount the course to $299 ever again, because after Sunday at midnight, I'm going to be revamping the entire Phone Flipping Academy course. So get in now before the price doubles. On top of that, if you're looking to cut out the middleman and want to get into some direct buying companies and develop some more direct connections and also learn some things, there's also a course now behind my list. Instead of $3,000, I'm selling it for $1,500. This is the only time you're going to get it for 50% off. This includes my entire list, everything, the mentorship, the coaching, the consulting, for $1,500 until Sunday at midnight. And then after that, it's never getting discounted again. On top of that, on the phone flipping course, you'll get into my Phone Flipping Academy group, etc. Lots of paid members, good phone flippers in there, and my mentoring through messaging. So that being said, just kind of wanted to motivate people out there and make that announcement. If you have not been getting phones out there and you want strategies, you guys see my daily videos every day. And I do these daily videos on top of picking up phones, doing consulting calls with students, answering questions, managing rental units, doing repairs on rental units. I do all this and still do this business and make a really good income. So if you're not happy with your phone flipping right now, whether you're just beginning or you're looking for a more direct buyer and want to cut out the middleman, I promise you one of 2 of my courses or mentorship programs will work for you. It's worked for hundreds of students out there, and I want to take more people out of their jobs and into financial freedom this year. And if you are in MLM, if you've ever done MLM, get the heck out of MLM. It is such a cheesy scam. It really is. I mean, you are paying people to sign up under you, and you're just basically referring them to a lifestyle and selling them on a lifestyle. If you join this business and start picking up phones like this, you'll create your own lifestyle, and it will depend on you, not signing up other people. All you got to do is flip phones and get customers. You buy real products, you sell real products, you get real money. So that being said, I hope this motivates some of you. I hope it gets you up, jumping out of your chair. Hope it gets excited because, man, mindset it's just such a big thing. I really hope this lifts some of you up. Even if you don't sign up for my course, I hope this motivates you and just kind of lifts you up out of the slump. If you're in a slump right now, I really hope this motivates you, gets you out there, put some ads, try phone flipping. And if you're not trying phone flipping and you're just trying another business, I hope this motivates you too, because there's nothing worse than seeing people suffer. People don't prosper when they suffer. You got to get out of that. And if you got bad people around you got to get away from them too. So that being said, just wanted to post this to kind of motivate people and let people know that I'm doing some awesome sales from now until Sunday at midnight for my birthday. Want to give back to people, want to help people out as much as I can before I revamp everything. There's going to be crazy stuff in my new course. We're talking chat bots, Facebook paid ads, Facebook boosted posts, all kinds of stuff. This is going to be the craziest, most in-depth phone flipping course course out there. You'll never need another program. You'll never need another course, and you'll never need another mentor. I've been doing this for 7 years now, and I'm the only one that's never quit, came back, blah, 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 blah. My story doesn't change. All of you guys know my story if you ever want to know it. I come from nothing, came from hardship, was bankrupt, and boom, now I'm here. I got multiple houses, multiple incomes. I'm doing this. I help people change their lives every day. And I was once one of those people that was suffering. So if I can do it, I know you can do it too. And I did all of this, by the way, before I even had a high school diploma. That's right, never even got my high school diploma. I dropped out of high school. That's how rough things were when I was a kid. I dropped out of high school because home life was so bad that I couldn't study or focus in school. And just recently, I went back and got my diploma. Not because I need it, and I know there's a lot of successful high school and college dropouts, but I went back to get my diploma because of the fact that I just wanted to say that I did it. I had the freedom to choose that I could go get it, not be forced to do it. So it doesn't matter what kind of education you have, doesn't matter if you've been to jail before, doesn't matter if you've been bankrupt, doesn't matter if you're down on your luck, divorced, broken up with, doesn't matter. None of this matters. All it matters is that you're willing to try something new, you want to learn, you've got the right mindset, you get the right coach and mentorship, and just go get your feet wet and get into this. And if you're afraid to do it alone, that's what my course and mentorship is for. And even if you are already doing it, my course and mentorship, I've been doing this 7 years and I can't remember the last time I lost money on a phone. Don't get scammed like I did in the beginning. Don't fall victim to some of the scams and shady sellers that are out there, because it happens. It can happen to the best of us, okay? But when you got somebody back behind you that can answer every question and kind of teach you every step of the way, no matter what happens, you never make a mistake. And that's what makes a profitable business. It's not about your gross, it's about your net. And if you have mistakes and you lose money on phones, well, then you don't really have any net income and you don't make any money. So that being said, I hope this motivates some of you, and I will see you all in my next YouTube video. This is going to be on Facebook also. This is kind of a video for all platforms today. So anyways, thanks guys for all the birthday wishes, and everybody, thanks for subscribing and supporting my YouTube channel. Thanks for all the likes, comments, etc. I love hearing from you guys, love talking to everybody, and I'm going to have some fun tonight on my birthday for once, because I'm always so focused on business. Like I said, even though it's my birthday, I just couldn't get away today. I love this business and I love inspiring people. So that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next video. And yeah, hopefully my night isn't too rough.